Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to share some of the products that I bought. This is my haul from the Stamp and Scrapbook Expo that was here in Mesa, Arizona a few weekends ago. And so the first vendor that I shopped at was Tall Mouse Creative Arts, and these are the things that I got. I already shared. They did a make and take project and they gave a free die with their make and take, a slimline, and they were like nested slimline too. So here is what I got from them. They had a deal, I think it was buy 4 slimlines for a certain price. I can't remember what it was, but these were the 4 that I chose. This one here, and then this hexagon one I thought would be fun, and it fits in this outer one. And then the other one I got was the scalloped edge. I mean, the scallop one looks like mermaid scales or waves, and then this fence looking one. But yeah, so those were from Tall Mouse. I want to say they were 4 for $58. I think that's what they were, 4 for $58. And then if you spent a certain amount of money, you got a free die, which this is the die I got for free. I think this is Winter Wishes, and I don't know, that might be Wishes. Oh yeah, Winter Wishes. And then this thing makes a snowman, and then I think there's a layered snowflake you can make, but they come with the shadow pieces as well for the snowflakes and the sentiment. Sorry if there's a glare. So that was the free one for spending a certain amount of money. I did get these keys. They did gift them in this organza bag. And then I also got some charms. They had these chenille type of charms. Sorry for all the crinkling, but I think there'll be a glare, so it'll be easier if I just take it out for you guys to see it. So those 3 there. And then I got these gold tone crowns. Oh well, I guess it's mixed tones. So all those gold ones and the one silver. And that one says princess. So those. And then I got these musical charms. Oops. And their notes and instruments. I really just got it because of the trumpet. So those there. And then this was the last set of charms I got. And their dresses, I think princess. No, what are they? Yeah, they're just dresses. Different styles of dresses, 2 of each. It's like the ballet one with the dangling shoes. There's like a cocktail one and very casual one. So those were the charms, and then I got more dies. And how cute are these Mickey slippers? So I got these, and I think these were like buy 5, maybe get 1 free, something like that. And these are all still Tall Mouse. And then these are two different sets I got, but these look fun. And then the magician hat. And then a Jack Skellington one. And the key. And then this ticket. How fun. Yeah, so I got so much stuff, it's gonna take me a while to play with it all. But I will be here to show you the stuff that I make and share with you. So hope you guys are having a crafty day. If you're new here, welcome. Please consider liking and subscribing. If you're returning, welcome back. I appreciate your love and support. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas.